Hi, M5902. Please introduce yourself.
Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Lorraine Manahan. I'm 35 years old. I am married. I have two kids, 10 years old and 5 years old. I live in Anda, Pangasinan, Philippines.
Okay, your religion,
I am Catholic.
highest educational attainment.
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
I have 4 years experience here in the Philippines.
Okay, how many family members do you serve?
Three members of the family, two adults and one children.
Okay, other household chores that you do?
Washing clothes, ironing, and
And you also taking care of pets, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of pets do you take care?
One, sir.
What kind of pets do you
A
take care?
dog po.
Okay, how many dogs?
One, sir.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir, because I have two kids and
Okay, so
I
you
am
know.
experienced.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and if his baby is hungry and I will check the diaper is
Oh,
full.
okay. If the baby doesn't stop to cry after everything that you have done, what will you do?
I will call their parents and I will tell them that the baby is crying.
Okay. And you will ask them what you should do, right?
Yes,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because in Hong Kong is the employers in Hong Kong, they give a high salary and safe country.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong in 2 years, and if they want to stay, I will stay.
So it's okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes,
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
no sir.
Okay. And it is okay to
But
you to learn.
I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn?
I will watch the YouTube and I will read the recipe book.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Sharing jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to bathroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, I'll do my best to work hard and I will follow the rules and regulation of my employers. And I'm a honest person, trustworthy, and a hardworking.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Lorraine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.